Practicing smooth throttle control isn't the best way to fix jerky throttle syndrome. And jerky throttle syndrome is when the bike accelerates more or wheelies when you don't want it to. This is especially scary when you have a lot of trees around you because you never know when the bike wants to jump out from underneath you. I get it. Your throttle feels jerky, especially when standing or riding around tight turns in the woods. I totally understand why you might think that just being smoother with the throttle is going to help. But let me ask you this. Just trying to be smooth with the throttle fix it from being jerky or hard to control 100% of the time? Like if you're riding on bumpy terrain and you got kind of thrown back on the bike and this forces you to grip the handlebars tighter and you accidentally give it a little bit more throttle because you're squeezing too tight. How are you going to be smooth and precise when you get thrown back and you're just trying to hang on to the handlebars so you don't fall off of it? You continue to just practice smooth throttle control, which is probably what you've been doing. You might still struggle with jerky throttle syndrome for months or years to come, hoping that you don't smash into a tree and get hurt. When you're scared of the throttle, especially on a powerful bike, it's really intimidating and not very fun to ride because you never know when the bike is going to get really snappy, and it's more likely to happen in those tighter areas. Trying to control the whole weight of the bike and you start to tense up, and this is where it's even harder to be smooth with the throttle, so you get a little bit more jerky. The problem that many trail riders do that cause this is reacting to what the bike is doing. Whether it's giving it gas, you're getting thrown back on the bike, or you're going over bumps or rocks and you get thrown around. It just feels like the bike is controlling you because you're getting bounced around, and it makes it hard to control the throttle. What you need to do instead is anticipate what the bike is going to do before it even happens. This is done with changing your body position to the right position and at the right time so that you can relax your arms and use smooth throttle control. It's important to use smooth throttle control, but if that's all you're doing, you're never really going to get rid of this problem entirely. Continue practicing smooth throttle control and deal with the frustration of having jerky throttle that is hard to control in the woods? Or would you like to have more confidence by efficiently controlling your bike in the woods, even if it feels big or powerful to you? Change and start controlling your bike instead of being controlled by it in the woods. My free basic techniques guide. It's a PDF that shows you the fundamental steps and techniques to efficiently control your bike and change your body position so that you have more confidence and control on the trails. You can download that at motocrosshideout.com/basic or click the link in the description below. I'm Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more.